Hello and welcome to the channel. In this method, you can easily create your hidden folder in Windows 10 or 11 operating system. So for this, we need to first create a new folder in our PC. Now we need to click Alt plus 0160 to rename this new folder. Now you can see my rename option is gone. Now I'm going to right click on this icon from here and click on properties. From here you need to go customization and we need to change icon from here. We need to scroll little bit. Select on this icon from here and click on OK. Now I'm going to apply this. Now you're gonna see my folder is hiding. If I click on apply, my folder icon will be gone. Now click on apply and click on OK. So you can see there are no folder icon is shown in my desktop. If I click on here, you can see my folder icon and name also gone. This way you can easily create a hidden folder in your PC and you can also save item in this folder. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel for more interesting videos.